It's pretty windy.
Alright guys, we're back here at the first video of the season. We're just gonna kind of take it easy, try a few different spots. I saw a nice big pike here last week, so we're gonna give her a go, see if we could catch him. And yeah, try a few different spots and see what happens. So I'm gonna tie on, I want to say it's a Recon Scout maybe, I don't know, something like that, I forget. I got too much Guggen, so I don't know. We're just gonna cut off this chatterbait. We're not using that today. Put that away and we'll tie on this here.
Caught on the seaweed.
Perfect. Kind of see, kind of not. Yeah.
Let me try this.
Okay. What I'm just do is I'm just casting it across the canal here to the other side, slowly reeling it in, seeing if there's any follows, any bites, anything at all really. Alright, we'll take a couple more casts down here. Been here for 20 minutes or so. And we'll see if we can't catch anything or get any action. Little crayfish skeleton. Look at that. Huh. Probably a bird, some type of bird. It looks fresh enough too, like it's not dried out or anything. Huh. Feels like it's still kind of, yeah, it is fresh, yeah. Cool. Oh yeah, there's some more over here, some shells. These are all dried up shells, but yeah, someone's having a fire down there right to where we're going. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hold on. We're not allowed doing fires down here. There's people down there too. Huh. Got our headphones on. Excuse me. Excuse me. Are these yours?
God, thank you so much.
No problem.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah, it's hard to catch up to you.
I appreciate it so much.
No worries. Oh, I'm out of breath, guys. Holy, that was a far run. Oh. Tristan's finally shown up. 5 minutes later, I'm just laying down here. Oh yeah. Oh. Taking a little shortcut here through the bush to get to the spot. It's a nice waterfront here.
Wow, look at the sun.
Beautiful. That is the power dam right over there. Nice. Walk down the bank of it. How's it going?
Good, you?
Not bad. Travel fire. We're gonna take a little walk along the bank here. We'll see what's up. Maybe take a few casts. It's kind of windy over here. Sorry if you can't really hear me. Let's go check it out. It gets to a narrow little creek up here. It's a certain time of the year smallmouth bass will come in here and they'll spawn. You'll see them just sitting on top of their beds. You can see them throughout the bay. Cast it right on top if you want. Target them, and yeah, very easy to catch them when they're spawning. I don't like doing it, but yeah. We're arriving to the third and final spot here at the power dam. Water level is really low, very low. Cast and see if we could catch something. If not, then it is what it is. After 3 kilometers of walking, we're back.
Yeah.
With no fish, unfortunately, but
I knew we weren't gonna get anything though.
it's the way she goes.
Yeah.
But
Just one of those days, I guess.